Monsoon session of the Parliament got off to a turbulent start yesterday as the Parliament plunged into disruption within minutes of convening despite the government's assurance of a debate on key issues. Next week, the Parliament will discuss Pahalgam terror attack and also Operation Sindoor. Centre has allotted 25 hours in total for all these discussions, 16 hours in the Lok Sabha and 9 hours in the Rajya Sabha. The announcement comes on the very first day of the monsoon session amidst opposition's repeated calls for a debate on the military action between India and Pakistan and also persisting onslaught that Modi Sarkar is trying to dodge accountability. The centre doesn't seem to be perturbed by the opposition charges at all. In fact, quote-unquote, the evasion line of attack which has been taken by the opposition was foiled by the Prime Minister even before the House convened. Listen in to what he had to say.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भारत की सेना ने जो लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया था 100% अचीव किया। आतंकियों के आकाओं के घर में जाकर के 22 मिनट के भीतर भीतर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के तहत उसको जमींदोज कर दिया गया कि देश ने एकता की ताकत देखी है, एक स्वर का सामर्थ्य क्या होता है देखा है कि दल हित में मत भले न मिले लेकिन देश हित में मन जरूर मिले।
In fact, the opposition is expected to further up the ante today as they are preparing to raise the voter roll revision route that's currently underway. And we have a breaking news coming in related to the same. There is a massive protest which is expected by the opposition on the same issue. They are planning the protest ahead of the parliament session. That protest is expected to start any time now, viewers. Opposition is planning to corner the government over the SIR issue. They're planning to up the ante, corner the government. Remember, there have been multiple huddles when we speak of the opposition camp, quote unquote. They have been preparing the corner government blueprint. And today we are expecting any time now, shortly, we are expecting a protest also, to break out far as the Bihar voter list issue is concerned. The opposition has been claiming that this is a way to weed out genuine voters. This is quote unquote, as they are claiming, misuse by the government agencies. But EC obviously has given a detailed explanation on the same. But it looks like that the row over, the same is going to continue. Poll body also, remember, had told, the courts that they have absolutely said no to Aadhaar and Bihar roll revision as the primary proof. Obviously, it can be used as a secondary proof. That also is another flashpoint. Many other reactions have come in. Listen in.
मैं लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन हूँ, मेरा हक है, तो मुझे तो कभी बोलने ही नहीं देते हैं। तो ये एक नया अप्रोच है। हाँ, सरकार चर्चा तो होगी, अगर वो अलाउ करेंगे तो होगी, मगर इशू ये है कि कन्वेंशन कहता है कि अगर सरकार के लोग कुछ बोलें तो हमें भी स्पेस मिलनी चाहिए। हम दो शब्द कहना चाहते थे मगर विपक्ष को ये अलाउड नहीं।
Telling a lie, I think so. I was on chair.
Yes, sir.
I have appealed to Rahul Gandhi. Please kindly you ask to your own members to vacate the well, and the house should be in the order. Certainly, I will allow you.
तो चर्चा करें अगर तैयार हैं। अगर एलओपी को कुछ बोलना है 1 मिनट के लिए तो बोलने देना चाहिए। Adjournment motion. He was not allowed to speak today. He should be allowed to speak. He is a leader of the opposition.
ये भारत की संसद है। यहाँ विधि व्यवस्था, कानून, प्रक्रिया और परंपरा से सदन चलती है। ये राहुल गांधी जी और प्रियंका गांधी जी की निजी ड्राइंग रूम नहीं है। जब चाहे, जिसको चाहे, जिस प्रकार की भाषा से बात हो कर सकते हैं।
Pragya is live with us on the broadcast. Pragya, we are expecting a massive protest by the opposition leaders today. Take us through, what the opposition is planning to corner the government. What's their blueprint, their strategy for the parliament session today?
They're protesting, trading heavily. They're running at the Mukta Dwar, and in fact, they are protesting against special intensive revision of electoral to any opposition leaders that, irrespective of the weather, we are going to protest about it and we are going to take it to the...
Okay, there seems to be some audio issue, but as my colleague Pragya was telling us, looks like that protest is going to start any moment now. The opposition leaders have started reaching the Makar Dwar as well. We have another big breaking news coming in, viewers. So what we're getting to know at the moment is that the meeting of floor leaders of both houses, that's Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, has started in the Parliament House complex. Leader of opposition, that is Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge, and also the LOP Rahul Gandhi are present in that particular meeting. So a big huddle before the parliament session, as we were saying that opposition also preparing its strategy, its blueprint before going to the floor of the house. Mohit joining us live on the broadcast. Mohit, give us more far as the opposition is concerned. What's going to be their strategy? What's going to be their blueprint for the assembly today?
Well, you see, when it comes to today's schedule in the program of the opposition, we know for a fact that shortly from now they will be coming at the Makar Dwar and they will be holding a protest against the special intensive revision that is being undertaken by the Election Commission in the state of Bihar. Now, various Congress leaders and other opposition party leaders have given adjournment notice, and they want the discussion to take place on the special intensive revision because they say that this will exclude certain communities and they will deny them right to vote.
All right, there seems to be some audio trouble there as well. So that's the latest coming in, viewers. At this point of time, what we are getting to know is that the opposition is holding their strategy meet. They are planning their strategy for the floor of the House. Remember, right before obviously the parliament session, they are planning, as to how to corner the government. Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi are already present at the meeting. And as my colleagues were also telling us, the protest by the opposition also going to start any time from now on. Viewers, now the opposition obviously might want people to believe that the centre is stonewalling a debate. We heard Rahul Gandhi say that he was not allowed to speak, but what exactly is the truth? Because from Parliamentary Affairs Minister to Lok Sabha Chair, from Defence Minister to the Leader of the House of the Lok Sabha, all have agreed with the opposition's legitimate demands. Any which way the government has agreed for a debate, for a discussion on the issues which had been raised by the opposition.
सरकार तो रेडी है चर्चा के लिए, अपना दम लेकर के आप लोग चर्चा कीजिए, हम वेलकम करते हैं, हंगामा मत कीजिए, मैं अपील करना चाहता हूं।
चर्चा चाहते हैं, जितनी भी बड़ी चर्चा चाहते हैं, जितने घंटे की भी चर्चा चाहते हैं, जैसा भी आपके द्वारा अथवा स्पीकर महोदय के द्वारा तय किया जाएगा उसके तहत हम चर्चा करने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार।
इस हाउस को और इस हाउस के माध्यम से देश में कहीं यह संदेश नहीं जाना चाहिए कि सरकार पहलगाम और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती। हम चर्चा करेंगे, हर तरीके से करेंगे।
All right, Mohit is joining us live on the broadcast. I believe, Mohit, has the opposition protest started? As you were telling us, opposition was also chalking out its strategy for the session of the parliament. They are also planning a massive protest when it comes to the SIR issue. What's happening? What's the latest coming in from the parliament?
Well, as of now, the protest of the opposition has not started yet. It's raining heavily over here, so we can expect that in some time from now, the protest at the Makar Dwar of the parliament will start. We know for a fact that how various Congress and the opposition leaders, they have given adjournment notices, and they want the discussion to take place on the issue of special intensive revision, which they say will exclude various communities for the rights of their voting in the upcoming Bihar elections. And we know that how the opposition has been raising this particular question, that how this will lead to disenfranchisement. And also they say that this exercise will not stop with Bihar. It will go on with the West Bengal and the other election-bound state, which is where the elections will take place in the next 1 or 2 years. Also, they say that this is unconstitutional. We also know for a fact that how the opposition will be raising this, and the issue of the resignation of Jagdeep Dhankar, that will also be raised by the opposition. While we speak, we know that how the floor leaders of the opposition parties are meeting both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So the strategy for the day is being chalked out, how exactly to corner the government on the issue of special intensive revision, how exactly they will raise the issue of the resignation of the Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. So mainly, shortly from now, what we are being told is that the protest at the Makar Dwar of Parliament will start. It will be a symbolic protest by the opposition parties, because they say that all the opposition parties are together when it comes to the special intensive revision, because they are against it, because they say this is unconstitutional, and Election Commission is doing special intensive revision on behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So serious allegations have been leveled on the Election Commission by the opposition parties. We know that how Tejasvi Yadav has been very vocal against special intensive revision. We also know for a fact that how the matter is in Supreme Court. The Election Commission has filed their affidavit in the Supreme Court, where they have clearly stated that the SIR is within the constitutional rights of the Election Commission. And when it comes to Aadhaar, they have.
Then you were telling us about the meeting of the floor leaders of both houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which has started in the Parliament House complex. Also, who all are present there? We believe Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi are already there. Okay,
Well, yes,
apologies. I'd like to go to Sabya for this big breaking news.
Well, that's right. See, the floor leader meeting has started of the Congress party, where the Congress member of parliament of both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha are present in this meeting. Now, in this meeting, definitely the issue of Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar resigning all of a sudden will be raised in the meeting, and also how to strategize as far as the Congress party is concerned, and raising different issues, starting from the Pahalgam terror attack to the Operation Sindoor and the special intensive revision of voter list. Today, several members of parliament from the Congress party, whether it is Manikam Tagore or Syed Nasir Hussain, all of them have given adjournment motions today. Now, yesterday also, why the ruckus had taken place in the Lok Sabha at the time when the several adjournment motions which were given by the opposition parties and the leaders was not taken into consideration, and after that the protest had started. There was continuous sloganeering, and in fact some of the opposition leaders went towards the well to protest. So clearly the opposition at this particular time is strategizing the future course of action, whereas the India bloc together on the special intensive revision of voter list is going to carry out a protest inside the parliament. Now, as far as the special intensive revision of voter list is concerned, the opposition have come together under one umbrella, because the opposition says that after the state of Bihar, one after the other state will go through this exercise, which is unconstitutional, and that is the reason why.
That's the allegation coming in from the opposition, and obviously that's likely to lead to a protest also, which is about to start any time today. Thank you, Sabyasachi, for joining us with all these details.